Thank you, Mom. For Mother's Day, I'm going to appreciate what you do every time. Thank you for the food and for taking the house together. Thank you. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for taking care of me and loving me and giving me food. And thank you.
Thank you for taking care of me, Mom and Dad, and loving me all these years, and giving me food. Thank you for using your money on me and not just, I don't know, leave me in an orphanage and stuff, and actually raising me. Thank you.
I'll listen to you, Mom and Dad, and thank you for playing with me. And
thank you, Mom, for making my food, and I'll listen more better, and I'll try my best at my test.
Thank you for watching over me, and I love you. I'll listen to you better, and I'll listen to you, God. I love you, Mom and Dad.
Hi, Mom. I love you.
I love you, Bob. I love you, Dad, and my mom. I love my brother.
I love you, Mom and Dad.
I love my family.
I love you, Mom and Dad.
I love you, Mom and Daddy.
Mama!